the video of our product provider, ZENIQ, first. We sell real products and services with massive benefits and possibilities for our customers. So we are not talking about castles in the air, some visions of which no one knows yet when and how we'll even bring them into reality. No, we are talking about products and services that already exist and offer enormous benefits to our customers and partners. If you want to build up a real business together with us, based on this information, you now have very exciting and lucrative possibilities. Safir Global DMCC offers you a lucrative recommendation business. ZENIQ itself takes care of the product and software development, while Safir has the exclusive distribution rights for recommendation marketing to distribute these products in the market. The global industry of recommendation marketing has been growing steadily for decades. In 2016, the revenues of this industry already exceeded the total global revenues of the music industry, online gaming, as well as the movie industry. And this business sector is still gaining more and more momentum. It's a great opportunity to build a self-sustaining business. However, in order to not only make some money in this industry, but also to be able to achieve really big goals, like your financial freedom, there are some things to consider. Some of the most important points are integrity, diligence, willingness to learn, perseverance, being proactive, and a mindset to match. In other words, values that you either already have or you can acquire along the way. What do the greatest in the world have to say about recommendation marketing? Let's take Robert T. Kiyosaki. If you don't know him, it's best to write his name down now. He is a top-notch author whose books have laid the foundations of financial education in the 21st century. He says of recommendation marketing, rich people seek and build networks. The rest look for work. That's why we are networkers. Donald Trump, everyone should know him, said, if I lost everything and had to start over, I'd find a great network marketing firm and go to work. Or Jean Paul Getty. Do you know him? An incredible visionary. He was an American oil tycoon. He said, I'd rather earn 1% on the labor of 100 people than depend 100% on my own labor. Recommendation marketing is nothing else. If you do a little research, you will find that there are hardly any great entrepreneurs who don't see recommendation marketing as the great opportunity that it is. Safir Global DMCC's global headquarters are located in the United Arab Emirates in Dubai, in the famous Jumeirah Lakes Towers. From there, the fortunes of Safir Global are controlled and strategies and concepts are rolled out. Likewise, sales partners, also called Safir promoters, are supported from there in their efforts to successfully build their business. With the Safir benefit plan, you can build a sustainable and lucrative recommendation business. The beauty of the benefit plan is the transparency of how you can earn money. Basically, there are 3 ways to profit from selling the products and services offered. Via a fantastic uni-level system that is unparalleled in the industry. Via career benefits, which rewards you for every career advancement you make. Via the bonus pool, which gives active promoters a share in the overall success of the company. The maximum payout of the benefit plan to our sales partners, promoters, is currently a whopping 69%. The first way to make money from recommending products and services is by means of our uni-level plan, which goes up to 15 levels in depth. You earn 9% on self-sales, i.e. purchases from directly referred customers or partners. If one of your direct partners sells to a customer, you will receive 8% from these product sales, and so on. At the same time, there is no limit to how many customers or affiliates you can refer to, which means that you can build hundreds or even thousands of direct customers or even sales partners. In addition, dynamic compression is applied. That means that activity and the achievement of specific stage goals are rewarded in a targeted manner. So it is always about activity and real product sales. In addition, there are so-called career benefits for reaching various career levels. To achieve these, 2 evaluation criteria are always used. The number of your directly recommended buyers, the total product sales of your network. For example, if you have 7 buyers yourself, and you have achieved a total team turnover of 10,000 euros across your entire network, the 40% rule must of course be observed here, you will receive a career benefit of 300 euros, and you reach the Ruby career level. For the team, total turnover counts not only the turnover of your direct buyers, but the turnover of all your customers and partners within your entire network, without any limitation of the recommendation level. This product turnover is calculated cumulatively. The moment you reach the required number of direct recommended buyers and the required total product sales of your network, taking the 40% rule into account, the career benefits will be available to you. For the double gold diamond rank, the highest career level at Safir, there is a career benefit of 2.5 million euros. If you go through all the ranks, this means a total career benefit of around 4.5 million euros. A special feature: all unilevel and career level benefits are calculated in real time and are available to you immediately upon achievement. You see, real doing can be very rewarding. The third way to earn money with recommendations is the bonus pool. This is your profit sharing in the overall success of the company. 10% of all sales revenues of the company go into this bonus pool every month. At the end of a calendar month, the system analyzes how many so-called share points each sales partner promoter has. For example, a ruby has 1 share point, whereas a double sapphire has 20 share points. Depending on how many share points you have achieved, the amount available in the pool is distributed evenly to each share point. So, let's assume there is a company monthly turnover of 1 million euros. 10% of this, 100,000 euros, go into the bonus pool in this case, and there are 500 assigned share points in this calendar month. Then, each share point in this example month is worth 200 euros. For a ruby with 1 share point, this means another 200 euro benefit on top. For a double ruby, 400 euro, and for a double sapphire with 20 share points, 4,000 euro. As soon as you have reached a career level with share points, you will stay in the pool for 6 months with these share points. If you reach a higher career level within these 6 months, you'll be in the pool with even more share points, and again for 6 months, and so on. Of course, you can also drop down to fewer share points. It is always about real product sales, a real business, real products and services with fascinating benefits and possibilities for their users. A business that not only deals with future topics such as blockchain, tokenization, and co., but also offers very concrete, innovative, and unique solutions for this. A business with enormous growth potential. Such a massive foundation to make something big out of it. Therefore, if you're looking for something different, something new, or even specifically something that you can use to steer your life in a positive direction, you found it. Become part of the Safir sales team now. Benefit from our lucrative benefit plan. Participate in the fantastic possibilities of technological progress. Become a part of Safir and become a pioneer of an entire future industry. Whether it's a small side income or a big business, we'll take you by the hand and support you. We believe that freedom and self-determination are possible for everyone. If, in addition, values such as integrity, mutual respect and appreciation, as well as fairness, humanity, and personal sovereignty are leading standards for you, then welcome to Safir Global. Your next steps. Talk right away to the person who's invited or approached you. Choose the best product for yourself. Start your successful business.